Okay. Oops. Not off to a good start here. Today, I'm gonna be heading off. This is a bad idea. I don't want to try to do this right now. Today, I'm heading out with Simon to Hatheume Lake. It's gonna be a bit of a project. We're gonna be driving out, doing some video work. It's gonna be just a journey. Come along on the trip and see what filming behind the scenes kind of looks like. Okay, made it to Simon's place. Here comes the man now. Got the side-by-side loaded up. And we're gonna pack up and head out. Simon, where are we heading? Hatheume Lake. Gotta listen in your cabin. This is more for the vlog side of things than it is for the actual video, but I'm gonna make a vlog of it.
All right, I would have wiped my car down. We're gonna get some dirt on it.
Let's go get some dirt. Up at the cabin here, and the weather's blowing in, so it's not looking too good. We got some shots inside, got some shots with the drone, lots of driving stuff going up, but it kind of sucks because now it's raining pretty good. I mean, it would work good to catch some fish shots, but you never really know what you're gonna get into with some of these jobs up here in the mountains, so we might have to come back. You're gonna take me out for a rip in this thing and see where see some spots, see some trails.
Let's find some spots.
Take advantage of this crappy weather. At least we can still make a vlog. But hey, looking forward to ripping around this beautiful little spot up here. The rain's let up, and now we're getting ready to try and do some footage. Just gonna do a couple takes before the light changes, but it's gonna be good. I think we're gonna get something, make the most of this while we're here. But it's been pretty fun so far. It's beautiful up here.
Opportunities like this are so rare to come. This is your chance.
See anything. Oh well. want to get high?